Hi, I am Apurva from ClearTax. Diwali, the festival of lights, is an occasion where you exchange cash or gifts with your family and friends and spread positive vibes to the loved ones. Have you ever thought of these gifts from an income tax perspective? The gifts you receive may not always be tax-free. You may be required to pay taxes on some of them. Here is a list of 6 pointers you must understand to know the taxation on gifts as per the Income Tax Act 1961. 1. Definition of gifts. A gift can be money in the form of cash or check, immovable property that is land or building, and movable property that is gold, jewelry or shares. 2. Provisions of Section 56, subsection 2 of the Income Tax Act. Under Section 56, subsection 2, gifts received during the financial year, whether in cash or kind, is tax-free as long as the aggregate value of all gifts received is within Rs 50,000. If the aggregate value of all gifts exceeds the specified amount, then the whole amount will be taxable. 3. Taxation on immovable property. If the stamp duty value of the immovable property exceeds the consideration value by a minimum of Rs 50,000, then the stamp duty will be chargeable to tax. 4. Gifts from family are exempt. Section 56, subsection 2 states that receiving gifts from relatives is exempt from tax. According to the section, the relatives who qualify for this exemption are spouse, siblings, siblings of the spouse, siblings of either of parents, any lineal descendant or ascendant, any lineal descendant or ascendant of the spouse, spouse of people mentioned in B to F. Note that gifts from friends are taxable. 5. Declaring gifts in ITR. You have to declare the gifts while filing your income tax returns if the aggregate value of all the gifts you have received during the financial year exceeds the limit of Rs 50,000. The gifts must be declared under the head Income from Other Sources. The value of gifts will be considered as part of your taxable income and will be taxed according to the tax bracket you fall in. 6. Other gifts that are exempt. Gifts received on the occasion of marriage is not charged to tax. Also, those gifts received by way of will or inheritance and gifts received in contemplation of death of the donor are tax-free. However, gifts received on any other occasions are considered taxable. Even those received on birthdays and anniversaries are not exempt from tax. Let us check out an illustration. Consider that Mr. Arora receives shares of a company worth Rs 30,000 during Dasara from his childhood friend. Again, he receives Rs 20,000 from his business partner. As per Section 56, subsection 2, gifts received from friends are taxable. Also, a business partner is not included in the definition of a relative. In addition, the aggregate value of gifts Mr. Arora has received during the financial year does not exceed Rs 50,000. Hence, it is not taxable as per Section 56, subsection 2. Illustration 2. Mrs. Arora gifts Mr. Arora a car worth Rs 4 lakh for Diwali. Mr. Arora has not received any other gifts during the fiscal year. Since Mrs. Arora is the spouse of Mr. Arora, she is considered as a relative as per Section 56, subsection 2, and the gift she presented is not considered taxable. Illustration 3. A colleague of Mr. Arora gifts him Rs 50,000 in cash as a gift or token of appreciation. Again, Mr. Arora's cousin gifts him gold jewelry worth Rs 1 lakh. This adds up to Rs 1.5 lakh worth of gifts during the fiscal year. Since colleagues and cousins are not considered in the definition of a relative as per Section 56, subsection 2 of the Income Tax Act, and the aggregate value of the gifts received exceeds Rs 50,000, the value of gifts received is fully taxable for Mr. Arora. Mr. Arora now adds this amount to the taxable income while he files income tax returns. So, that was about taxation on gifts and provisions available under Section 56, subsection 2. What's more, file your income tax returns with ClearTax and get rewards worth Rs 51,000. May your Diwali be more bright with our rewards. Remember, The due date for filing ITR is 31 December 2020. Thank you.